Sauce on me. I got drip. Flood the wrist. It's homage to the whip. When I want it. Pull up on sight. Do that for that check. Do that for that check. Do that for that check. Yeah. Do that for that check.
Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. It's the girl Annie Gonna K. How y'all doing or whatever? How y'all doing or whatever? Hey. How y'all doing or whatever? How y'all doing or whatever? Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, if you've never seen this channel, never seen my face, never seen my hands, baby, I am Annie Gonna K, and on this channel I do budgeting, paying off debt, and getting my life together one step at a time. Okay, in today's video, as you guys can see, I am doing rolling my coins with me. Okay, baby, this is my coins that I had from 2021, and your child, your girl just ain't got to it. So today I'm getting my life, like I said, together, Bible, and we're gonna roll some coins, and we just gonna have a little chit chat, say hello, count how much we got, okay, and see how we did, and take this money to the bank, because we need it. We like all our coins. Facts. But anyways, guys, without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, y'all, so y'all look at my coin holder. I had to, like, it wouldn't come off, the top wouldn't come off, so I had to stab the top. Look how ghetto I am, but you gotta do what you gotta do, y'all. Okay, so it's empty. Okay, so this is all the coins, like I said, that I saved in 2021. Hoocha. Okay, how about we just separate them first? Let me move these out of the way a little bit. And how about we just separate them first, and then we'll get into the coin rolling, okay? So how y'all been? How y'all doing? Oh my gosh, I'm not trying to get cut. How y'all doing? It is, what day is today? Today's the 13th of April. It is, child, it is going, child. No, but I didn't save as much. Like, I didn't save like a big coin, you know, the big coin drugs, because some of y'all be saving all y'all like coins, and I'm like, dang, I want to be like you when I grow up. But you know, it's all cool. Anything you save is good, y'all. Anything that you can, you know, not spend and put towards debt or put towards whatever other goal you may have, that is good. And so I would never knock anybody, whether you save $100, $50, whatever, because this paying off debt and being an adult and living is really hard. But we out here and we doing it, we striving. So a round of applause to you, y'all. Round of applause to you. But yeah, I saved this money. This was my money even from Korea. Like, I kept, because you guys know I was using it. Well, if you're new here, you may not know, but I used to live in Korea, and I have wons too, y'all. Like, I save, because wons is Korean money. I save my wons coin, but obviously, like, I can't spend it in America because that's where I live now. So yeah, I basically just have them as like souvenirs, you can say, or like if I ever go back to Korea, I can bring it there. I don't know, I may still have it then, I may not, I don't know. Actually, they are in this jar, if I'm not mistaken. So my little flowers that be doing thing, they're in this jar. So my Korean wons, let me show you guys, hold on. I have a few, not a lot, but these are the wons. You guys can see that. So that's one, and that's 50 cents, and I think it's 150 and 500. I don't think I have any 500 coins. Let me see. Is the 500? Yes, and 500. So those are Korean wons money. So the 500, the 100, and the 50. So I do have a couple of them, and they look like American dollars. So I almost went to jail a couple of times, y'all. But your girl's still out here free, okay? Loves me some good what? Freedom. But yeah. So if I ever go back to Korea, I'll have, I don't know, coins, I guess. But I guess before I leave again, I'll probably sell them. Not sell them, but like exchange them for USD, you know? I also had like, oh, there's another quarter. Yeah, the amount that I have though probably wouldn't have exchanged nothing, not even $1 if I'm being honest. So that's probably why I kept them. You never know. But yeah, so I kept all these nickels and quarters, and I wouldn't have had as much as like everyone else in America does because I wasn't using American coins as much last year. So yep, at least the second half of the year is when I started using American coins like that. So it's all good in the neighborhood. Let me move that out of the way. These dimes. Oh, so y'all, it took me, because if you guys don't know, I'm Jamaican by birth. Jamaican by birth, and moved to America when I was 16. So yeah. So when I first got here, it took me, I would say, probably a month to 2 to actually understand how y'all dollars work, you know, because in Jamaica, our coins, or if I ever have one, I'll show it to you guys, but in Jamaica, our coins go in accordance to like $1 looks like this, $5 look like this, $10 look like a quarter, and I think $20, if I remember correctly, is the most we go up to. So $1, $5, 10, and 20, right? So that is the most like coins that we have in Jamaica. And so when I got here, I was like, okay, $1, doesn't that make sense? $1, because it's the smallest one, and then nickel, and then dime, and then, you know, dime, and so forth. But no, baby, I came here and they was like, no girl, that's not how that works. I was like, what? What you mean? So it took me like a month or 2 to actually get adjusted to how y'all coins are. And like, I think, is Canadian dollars the same way? No, Canadian dollars actually go in order of like currency. So I don't know, America just want to be different. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, y'all just want to be different. I do not understand it. Y'all just want to be different, but it's all cool. It's all cool, you know. Now I've been living here for more than 10 years. Dang, I've now been living in America for more than 10 years, y'all. That is crazy. I've been living here now, and now I'm used to it, and you know, now I've adjusted and I can do a lot of different things, and I understand the money. Child, I'm using cash anyways for spending. So now I understand how y'all currency work and everything. You know, adjusted my life from living in Jamaica to now living in America. So really glad I moved here. I don't know how I would have made it in Jamaica, but I made it here. So I'm happy. I'm grateful. So yeah, but that's my spiel. Now we're going to go into the counting of the money, and we're going to start off with our cents, our pennies. Okay, so we need to have 50 pennies for 50 cents. So let's see how much this is. Okay, y'all, so all in all, for my coins that I have on hand, I have 81 cents in pennies, I have $1.20 in nickels, I have $2.30 in dimes, and I have $16.25 in quarters. So I saved up a total of $20.56 last year in my leftover coins. It's not a lot, and that's okay. So $20.56 is what it is in total. It's not a lot, but you know what it is? A payment on this damn car. It sure is. So I am going to put it, wait, where's that envelope? So I'm gonna put it in this cash envelope for $5 that I got from Cynthia and Cassie J. I'm gonna put it in here, and then I'm gonna go to the bank and I'm going to make this deposit. Make this deposit so that I won't have, ooh. Oh no, y'all, I forgot a penny. So 57 cents. Remember that penny that rolled and went about his business? Yeah. Found a penny that rolled away. So $20.57 is how much I saved, and I'm going to, like I said, send this to the bank next week and make the deposit, and I will pay this on my car basically. So yeah guys, so that is it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was a little different for me. I wanted to get this out of the way, but I also wanted to share it with you guys. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Share this video with a family, friend, or foe, because even your enemies need blessings. Okay, what do I say at the end of this video? Every little bit counts. Every little bit counts. No matter what you thought you saved, or if you thought you could do better, did you do it though? You did it? Okay. Every little bit counts. So save your little bit. Pay your little bit on your debt. You know, put a little extra towards something else. Whatever you're saving for. It's all good, because every little bit counts. Don't like stress yourself about it. Don't like put yourself down for it. Just know that you did your best, and we are proud of you. Okay. So anyways guys, again, thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Nick and a K, and I will see you in the next one. Alright? Bye!
How you wanna do it? How you wanna get it? I'm off that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk. Bad little thing.